Hello, today I'm going to show you how to request Azure AI Foundry agents with Node Web Console. So first I'm going to show you that there are no resource groups, thus no AI Foundry projects yet set up for today's demo. Then I log into Node Web as usually. Then I go to Node Web Console. I select the model we configured in previous demos. So at this point, I'm ready to request an agent to be developed and built and deployed. So I can do the same commands with voice. At this stage, I'm ready to deploy. While it's deploying, I can show you the already generated code. So these are the outputs of cdktf and get command. These are bindings set up for Azure RAM provider. So here is the main TS code that's been generated. So you see this statement sets up the project and AI Foundry resource. And the statement from the null provider does actually perform the agent setup. Agent prompt and name are populated based on the statement values. So deploy is taking a bit longer because provisioning the resources is usually about a minute and a half at least for AI Foundry. So the setup of agent itself is implemented using the script in agent directory called create agent. That's also generated on the fly by Node Web DSL service. And it's very straightforward. The template for the project is defined in agent directories as well. And basically, we just set up the project and deploy an OpenAI service. So this one's been configured for GPT for all model, but we can use others available in Azure. Yeah, and soon the deployment should be complete. We should be able to see the deployment log. Let me take a look at the service. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so deploy output. Basically, there are 4 stages that the script goes through. It's init stage where we do install the Node.js modules. Then there is login stage where we do login, AZ login for Azure CLI. And the other stage is binding when we do CDK get to fetch the Azure RAM and Kubernetes and other modules, well, providers. And also there is deploy stage. So the output of deploy log is here. We see that it's set up the resource. Let's inspect the Azure AI Foundry project and resource group that's been set up for it and so forth. Yeah, here is the resource group that's been set up. Yeah, you see there is a basic agent project based by the name of the agent specified in the Node Web DSL code. Let's take a look. Here we can inspect the endpoints, grant user accesses, and so forth. Now let's take a look at the AI Foundry project source. So here we have the list of endpoints. Initially, we usually do not have the permission as per message on overview. Yeah, we can fix it automatically. And stay tuned for more in-depth walkthrough, relying completely on voice interface and for a complexer scenario when Azure AI Foundry agents communicate with AWS Bedrock agents and use more advanced tools like OpenAPI-based tools and MCP tools and agent-to-agent communications.